My name's David King. I'm the owner and founder of Cool Geeks. Thanks for tuning in to Cool Geeks Online Certification. With this online certification, we're just going to focus on just everything from just someone who wants to maybe just a do-it-yourself person that wants to learn how to do things around the house for themselves or friends or family, or all the way to a person that wants to kind of do the same thing that I did and duplicate it, to where you want to start your own business and branch out. I'm going to show you the right way to do things, all the way from just basic installations all the way to the sales and marketing piece, and show you how you can form this into something as great as what I've done. Again, thank you for tuning in, and look forward to teaching you all what I know.